My name is Rosemary Cobian. I come from the Seychelles Islands, the small islands near in the Indian Ocean, near the east coast of Africa. I've been having problems with my knee for quite some time. Proposed to me SIMS Hospital. Had an appointment with Dr. Ashok Kumar, and from the first day I felt very confident. The next day we had a whole day of tests, all sorts of tests, chest, cardiology, ECG. Thank God, in the end, I was found to be healthy. My general health was in good condition, and I was approved to do my operation. I was rolled into this majestic theater room. Then I saw that I was surrounded by about 12-15 people. And then they rolled me into the recovery area where everybody gave me such a good welcome and attention and good services. My operation was okay, very professional. I was surrounded with all the professionals, about 14 of them. The same afternoon, the physio came and asked me to walk. Of course, there was a lot of pain, but I can say SIMS Hospital is professional in managing the pain. I was in professional hands, good service, attentive, kind people. The food, quite delicious. And a variety of food, so everything was okay. I went to see my surgeon, and he told me that in 7 days I can walk without my stick and drive. That is about 3 weeks after. Bravo to all the team. So thank you to SIMS. Thank you.